Today we are going to discuss top 10 ways to earn online in 2023. Number 1. Selling products online. Setting up an online store and selling products through platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay can be a great way to earn money online. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Partnering with businesses and promoting their products through affiliate marketing can earn you a commission on any sales you generate. Number 3. Online tutoring or coaching. If you have a skill or knowledge in a specific area, you can offer online tutoring or coaching services. Number 4. Creating and selling digital products. You can create ebooks, courses, or digital products and sell them through platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Number 5. Blogging. Starting a blog and monetizing it through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or advertising can generate a steady stream of income. Number 6. Creating and selling stock photography or videos. If you're a photographer or videographer, you can sell your photos or videos on stock photography websites. Number 7. Dropshipping. Starting a dropshipping business where you sell products from a supplier who ships them directly to your customers can be a low-cost way to start an online business. Number 8. Online survey taking. There are many online survey companies that will pay you to take surveys and share your opinion on products or services. Number 9. Online freelance work. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer provide a marketplace for freelancers to offer their services to businesses and individuals. Number 10. Online trading. Investing in stocks, commodities, or currencies through online trading platforms can also help you earn money online.